Hi there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. You're watching a RITTER Bit Will Do, and today we are on our way to my dealership. I'm actually towing my tractor. I got to get a new hydraulic coupler for the loader. That quick coupler it has a little leak in it, and apparently that's a common problem with some of these newer BXs. I think the problem has been resolved now. I was kind of early when I got my BX, so I got one of the earlier systems. I believe hopefully they redesigned it and they'll remedy that problem. But while I'm at Olson's Power Equipment, I'm going to be doing a little bit of video promotion for them. So they contacted me, asked me if I could do some of that. So I don't exactly know what that's going to entail. So this should be a fun one. So we're going to be at the dealership again, and I'll show you a bunch of tractors, that's for sure. All right, you guys, stick around, see what happens. Well, here I am at the dealership, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing some promotional videos for Olson Power Equipment. They have, inside their dealership, they have a closed circuit TV that just kind of loops through different videos. So I'm going to be making some videos for that. So this isn't something that's going to be on TV commercially. It's just going to be offered inside this dealership here. But again, that's still kind of a cool thing for me to get my name out there and promote the channel a little bit. And speaking of which, help me promote the channel. Give me a like, will you please? Come on, you can do it. Just hit that like button. It's not that hard. So we're going to do some drone flyovers. I'm going to do some video of some up-close stuff. I don't know how much I'll be talking in this video, but you're going to see a lot of tractors. I guarantee you that. Well, I found a new LX3310 with a cab. I know there's going to be a lot of people who are going to ask me, how much does it cost? Well, you can go on Kubota's website and build your own, but I think you're better off calling your dealer and getting a quote, because every time that I've heard of prices from the build your own sites, they seem a little bit high. So go check out your dealer and see what kind of deal they can give you, because I'm sure they'll be happy to work with you. Plus you might, you know, get a few free throw-ins, you know, some add-ons and stuff. Well, it's been a pretty long day here over at Olson's, and I'm getting pretty tired, so I'm gonna head home. And there you have it. That concludes my day at Olson Power Equipment. If you're looking for a tractor dealership, this is a fantastic dealership. They've got everything you need, including the new LX series. So come on, check it out. Pretty good place, bunch of good people. They treat you right, and I'm a happy customer. So don't forget, hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. It does help promote this channel and gets my video out to a larger audience, which is what I need. So help me out, and until next time, keep on tractoring, everybody, and God bless.